Welcome to Personnel Protection Plan, the PPP, where not having a plan is a plan, just not a good plan. What's your plan? The topic for this week is long-term care and living benefits. Now, long-term care insurance is a specialty type of insurance that helps pay for costs associated with long-term care. These costs can include hospital services, nursing home services, home health care, and even the salary for a caregiver. Now, health insurance has limitations for coverage and services, and Medicare does not cover long-term care. Medicaid will cover long-term care costs, but only if there is a need for a nursing facility. You must also meet the state requirements to receive Medicaid. This will include exhausting all assets, including the sale of a home, investments, and especially any savings. The purpose of having a long-term care policy is to be able to afford the necessary treatment associated with a qualifying condition, but to also protect your assets and quality of life. Remember, to qualify for Medicaid, all assets must be exhausted before the help is even available. A person must liquidate their life's work before receiving any help with any long-term care associated costs. Once their condition improves, their quality of living has changed forever. They will no longer have any assets and will have to rely on family or public assistance to survive. Now, long-term care and other living benefits can also be purchased as a rider on a life insurance policy. The other living benefits are usually chronic illness, critical illness, and terminal illness. Now, the benefits are accelerated, meaning a percentage of the death benefit can be collected while the insured individual is still living. If a person is suffering from a chronic, critical, or terminal event, more than likely they're unable to earn an income, and this will provide some sort of financial support to help with expenses. Now, let's define some of the qualifying events that would activate these riders. A chronic illness is when a person cannot perform 2 of the 6 activities of daily living for a period of 90 consecutive days, or if a person experiences a severe cognitive impairment. The 6 activities of daily living are bathing, dressing, eating, toileting, transferring, and continence. Now, critical illness is a list of illnesses or conditions that usually include ALS, which is amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, kidney failure, any life-threatening cancer, any major organ failure, a heart attack, a stroke, major burns, contracting AIDS, or dementia, which includes Alzheimer's, even paralysis and aortic aneurysm surgery. And a terminal illness is when someone is diagnosed with a condition with a life expectancy of less than 12 months. Many of us have experienced or witnessed the occurrence of these conditions. Now, when life happens, will you be prepared for the residual consequences? Get with a licensed agent or broker. Have a policy review of your current life insurance policy. And if you don't have life insurance, have the necessary conversations to get some level of protection. There's a survey in the caption of this video. Feel free to complete it, and we'll schedule a meeting to discuss a protection plan. Thank you for tuning in to Personnel Protection Plan, where not having a plan is a plan, it's just not a good plan. What's your plan?